Start your day right. Start your day right.
Oh, hello.
This is why home workouts take twice as long.
Please stay. Stay out.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's good.
Yeah!
You know? Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Pair of clippers, and I grossly overestimated my ability.
This is what happens when you say, I'll just do it myself.
Maybe they secretly watched you and you didn't even know it. Their peripheral vision is legendary.
Frankie! Holy! Are you kidding me?
And then how easy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep? What are you doing?
Come on, it's just snow!
Up there, why are you so invested in these things?
That window doesn't make it a better choice.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
No! 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 No!
Oh, wait, no way! No way!
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Wait.
See. What did you just do?
Eating in front of cats. The default portion is already 50.
Oh, she ain't moving.
I thought so.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. Speak.
Fuck. What a good sissy. Oh my god.
Ella va bien. I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
I like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
Ese viado.
No!
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Dogs help with dishes. Most dogs just eat.
Looks like someone is
Just chilling. Alright, buddy.
Pegou uma carona aí.
go check. Dude.
Wychowana wśród zwierząt. Masz przyjaciółkę, ale nie musisz jej koniecznie lizać. Chociaż czysta jest.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Hey, friend.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Oh, she ain't moving.
Oh, hello.
Canelita, Canelita, estoy enojada contigo. Estoy enojada contigo. Porque andas cogiendo a Romita.
Vuelve a hablar.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're evil. Evil. Evil.
Oh, look at him. Look at that.
What? What is going on?
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so. Oh.
No! No! Eh! Don't try it. No! Oh, Michael!
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Hey. Be scared of the kitty.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that... There you go.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep... So, tomato. And oh, hello. Hello.
Their learning is truly amazing, since it can produce cats' actions like this.
What are you doing?
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat. Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
A real cat is one that overreacts at every little thing. See you next time.
Baby.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep...
Or a fox. Funky.
Actually, big dogs are way more patient with kittens than cats are. What a perfect duo.
She ain't moving.
Huskies have a very unique idea of comfort.
Me vio sentada aquí y ella se quiso sentar.
What is going on?
Bread!
What the just happened?
Oh no!
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy. Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
You don't climb on the freaking counters.
Oh, buddy. Oh my god.
Sometimes a dog's care for a cat is just like a father's love, quiet, steady, and protective.
Yeah.
If you're finished, feel free to hang up.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward. How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Why are you still peeing? Magna!
This is a story about a girl named...
Stay 5 minutes to schedule your consultation before our...
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
1, 2, 3.
Hi!
Hey friends, get ready for some funny, chaotic, and adorable animals.
Hey. Hey! Who did?
Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Uh-oh. Ele toca a campainha pra entrar.
Sometimes animals find solutions we never expect.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
Not to let your cat pet you.
You're caught red-handed using your superior balance for all the wrong reason, kiddo.
So the touch lamp is working.
Get out of the way. Oh.
You get that?
Thank you, no.
You're evil.
Are you happy, Kermit?
Mr. Cuteness.
What are you doing?
Oh, I got her! Oh!
Stay. Oh, that's not very good, but you can have a treat anyways.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, he wants hat. Ping.
Oh!
In case you were looking for those understanding each other without a word, here it is. The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
It's gone. What the fuck?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
But remember, sometimes even corgis need a little backup.
Boom. All right.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No ma-